Okay, I had to capture this moment. Oh my god. Look at this butt lifting effect, absolutely stunning. I am obsessed. I just got my hands on these new pieces from Wakyme, and I had to share them with you guys. First up, this top is super stretchy, and the fabric feels absolutely amazing, so soft. And these leggings, a V-back and scrunch design. The way they sculpt and lift is unreal. Now, let's put them to see how they fit. They're buttery soft and crazy comfortable. Are they see-through? Nope, completely squat-proof. Passed with flying colors. And the best part? Both the top and leggings have this refreshing lemon and ocean scent that's so fresh and energizing. Right now, Wakyme is running a spring sale. They have so many styles, but I'm especially loving their scented collection. There are 3 scent options, and I picked the Lemon Wave this time. This V-back butt lifting leggings are one of the best sellers of their site. There are many girls show on the product pages. They also have a buy more, save more deal. If you buy 3 pieces, you get a free gift, a canvas tote bag, which has a yoga mat carrier pocket, which is just what I need for my yoga class. If you want to see how this top looks in motion, check out the product video on the detail page. You'll get a full 360 view of the fit, fabric, and how it moves with you. I bought 5 pieces and scored a free sports bra. This spring sale is seriously a steal. Perfect timing. I just refreshed my wardrobe, and I couldn't be happier. Don't miss out, besties. Go check them out before the sale ends.